The landscape of AI coding tools is exploding, and a new contender has just entered the ring for 2025, Ona AI. Ona presents itself as an AI development environment that consolidates your entire workflow into a single, cloud-based platform. The vision is to handle everything from code generation and bug fixing to testing and deployment, all assisted by its proprietary AI. The website highlights features like intelligent code completion, proactive error detection. A key focus is on team collaboration, providing shared environments to streamline joint projects. Of course, the pricing model is a major point of interest. Ona uses a freemium approach with a free starter plan for individuals that offers core AI features with usage constraints. On the flip side, there are notable concerns. A browser-dependent IDE might not suit everyone, especially for projects requiring intensive computational resources or specific local dependencies. Its long-term stability and the true effectiveness of its AI on complex codebases remain to be seen. The cost-effectiveness will ultimately hinge on how well the AI performs and the specific needs of your projects. Ona offers three main pricing tiers. The free plan gives you $10 of free usage and includes sandboxed environments with specs like 4 cores and 16GB RAM, powered by Claude Sonnet 4.5, but environments auto-delete after 3 days of inactivity. The core plan starts from $20 per month and is ideal for individuals and teams, removing the parallel environment limit, offering much higher resources up to 32 cores and 128GB RAM, adding GPU support, project collaboration features, and extending the auto-deletion period to 7 days. Finally, the Enterprise plan has custom pricing and includes everything in Core plus maximum security and control features like the bank-grade VPC deployment, private LLM access, SSO, detailed audit trails, and uptime guarantees with dedicated support. Goodbye, my friends, and see you later.